Tiger Brokers now allows you to invest your CPF funds, SRS money, and even sell your shares from your CDP account. In this video, I will show you everything you need to know about the Cash Boost account, what it is, how it works, what the fees are, how it compares to other brokers, how to buy and sell using the Cash Boost account, and finally, I will answer some of the most common questions that you may have. So first up, the Cash Boost account is Tiger Brokers' special account that allows you to trade stocks and ETFs without using upfront capital. This is also something known as contra trading. Here's how it works. After buying a stock or ETF, as long as you sell before the settlement date, which is T+2 for SGX, you won't have to provide any upfront cash. You keep the profits if your trade is successful or cover the losses if it goes the other way. This lets you use your capital more efficiently, while without having to wait for funds to settle from other investments. But beyond contra trading, the Cash Boost account now supports investing via CPF, SRS, and selling shares from your CDP. And that's what I'll focus on here. So, for the Singapore markets, Tiger Brokers' Cash Boost account charges a 0.22% of the trade value, with a minimum of $9.99 per trade. If we compare this against other low-cost brokers that support CPF, SRS, and CDP, such as FSMOne and DBS Vickers, FSMOne would actually come out as the cheapest platform. For stocks, FSMOne only charges a flat $8.80 fee, and for ETFs, it is just $3.80. If you set up a regular savings plan for ETFs, FSMOne even lets you invest for free. And while FSMOne doesn't allow you to buy directly into CDP, it does let you transfer shares into CDP for free. This means if you wish to minimize costs when investing via CPF, SRS, and CDP, FSMOne is the best option. So why use Tiger Brokers then? That's because fees aren't the whole story. Tiger Brokers offers a whole bunch of features that make the investing experience both powerful and user-friendly, whether you are a beginner or an active trader. For instance, it has the built-in stock analysis tool, which gives you instant access to company fundamentals, earnings reports, and analyst ratings, all within the same app. This means you don't have to switch between different platforms just to do your research. It also comes with advanced charting tools, complete with technical indicators and drawing functions, which are especially valuable for investors who rely on technical analysis. On top of that, Tiger Brokers has integrated AI-driven chatbot, which offers market summaries and idea generation to help you spot opportunities. And with real-time live pricing, you will always have the most accurate and up-to-date quotes when making trading decisions. Beyond the tools, Tiger Brokers also offers a community section where investors can share strategies, discuss market trends, and learn from one another. There's also a reward system where you earn points as you trade, redeem perks, and take part in seasonal promotions or events that Tiger runs from time to time. And if you are new, you can sign up using my link to earn up to $1,000 worth of welcome rewards when you fulfill the terms and conditions. In short, Tiger Brokers is not just an investing platform. It is an ecosystem of tools, insights, and community support that helps investors stay informed, connected, and rewarded. Okay, anggap bolas aside, if you do decide to use Tiger Brokers' Cash Boost accounts to invest your CPF, SRS, and CDP funds, here's how. First, head over to either the Home tab or the Portfolio tab. Tap on the Prime account at the top, select Open Cash Boost account, and complete the setup. Once that is done, at the Portfolio tab, tap on Total Buy Limits, and here, you'll be able to link your CDP, CPF, and SRS accounts. To get your CDP account number, log into your SGX Investor Portal, and you'll immediately see your CDP account number at the top. As for your CPF investment account number, log into your CPF account. At the top, click on My CPF Investment, then scroll down to find your agent bank name as well as your CPF investment account number. Lastly, you can find your SRS account number with the bank that you have opened your SRS account with. For example, since my SRS account is with DBS, if I log in to my DBS account, I'll be able to see my SRS account number here. Next, here's how to invest your CPF and SRS money via the Cash Boost account. First, head over to the Portfolio tab, and at the top, switch over to the Cash Boost account. Then open up an eligible stock or ETF that you want to invest in. You can check whether it is eligible or not by tapping on the small icons on the top right hand side. If it shows the CPF, SRS, and sell via CDP icon, this means you can invest in them. Also, take note that you'll only be able to see the CPF, SRS, and CDP icons if you are on the Cash Boost account. So if I switch back to the Prime account and open up the stock again, I won't be able to see the icons here. Next, click Trade, buy and make sure you are on the cash boost account. Select either CPF or SRS for the payment method. Then just enter the rest of the details as per normal, and you are done. As for selling from a CPF, SRS and CDP, the steps are exactly the same. First, make sure you are on the cash boost account, but this time, switch over to the sell side. Take note, if you want to sell, make sure you are on the sell side, Don't be blur and buy even more shares, After that, just select the payment methods and enter the rest of the details. So that was a quick guide on how to invest your CPF, SRS and CDP via cash boost. Now, let's go through some of the most commonly asked questions. First, how do I check for the available balance or investment assets in my CPF, SRS or CDP accounts? For CPF, you will need to log into your CPF account, click on My CPF at the top, Investment, and here, you'll be able to see the amounts available that you can use to invest in stocks, gold, and professionally managed products. And if you wish to find out your CPF investments, you have to check with your agent bank. As for CDP, you will need to log into your SGX investor account. Make sure you are on the Portfolio tab. Scroll down and you'll see all your CDP investments. Lastly, for SRS, you will need to log into your agent bank to check. Next, can I buy and sell on the same day, aka contra trade with my CPF, SRS and CDP accounts? No, you can't, as CPF, SRS and CDP transactions require full settlement. If you try to sell without sufficient holdings, SGX will reject your order and penalize you gao. First, a penalty of $1,000 or 5% of the trade value, whichever is greater for a failed delivery. $75 plus GST per failed contract, a 0.75% plus GST brokerage fee on top of the usual fee charges. So only sell when you are sure your holdings are there. Next, can I amend the payment methods after placing an order? Yes, but only if you do it before 5:30 PM on the same trading day, and it is subject to Tiger's internal approval. To do the amendment, you will need to contact the Tiger Broker's customer support. So that was a quick video on how to use Tiger Broker's cash boost accounts to invest via CPF, CDP and SRS. Hope you found it useful. Like, share and subscribe as I'll be posting more videos every week.